Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter Moisture in the Air. What is moisture? A small amount of water is contained in the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. Without the small amount of water in the air, no rains would be possible, and this is moisture, means small amount of water vapor that are present in the atmosphere, that is known as moisture. And what is the water vapor? Water present in the air in the gaseous state. Next is states of water. Water has three states. One is solid, liquid, gas. You can change their state from one to another, means solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas to liquid, and liquid to solid by heating and cooling. Next is evaporation and condensation. These are the process to change the state of water. First is water. The process of conversion of water from liquid to vapor is called evaporation. When we change the liquid water vapor is called evaporation. And another is the process through which water vapor is converted into tiny droplets of water is called condensation. These are two processes to change their state. And next is air and water vapor, means water vapor present in atmosphere. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of water cycle. Water evaporates from the earth due to sun, and in the atmosphere condensation take place, and water condensed in the form of cloud, and after that it comes down on the earth by precipitation. This is called water cycle. Next is formation forms of condensation and formation of cloud. Forms of condensation are cloud, fog, and dew. And formation of cloud. A cloud is a mass of small water droplets, tiny ice crystals, and that float in the air. Millions of such tiny droplets of ice crystal hang in the air due to their very little weight, and such small water droplets or ice crystals are called clouds. Precipitation. Another form is the precipitation of water cycle. And what is precipitation? Falling of liquid or solid water such as rain, snow, or hail from the atmosphere due to condensation. Now we are talking about the types of the precipitation. One is rain, second is snowfall, and third is hail. Now rain. What is rain? Falling of droplets of water from the cloud on the ground is called rain. You can see in this picture the water droplets falling down from the cloud on the earth, that is rain. Next, this is the form of rain. One is convectional rainfall. When the land surface is heated by the sun, air becomes warm and start rising. At the higher altitude, the air cools down. In the atmosphere, condensation of the water vapors occur, and due to that the convectional rainfall occur. Next is relief rainfall. What is that? Moisture bearing wind. We have the moisture bearing wind, barrier or mountain wind rises, wind cools, to saturated point. On the further cooling, rain occurs. Windward side receive heavy rainfall and leeward side receive less rainfall. And next is cyclonic rainfall. When the earth surface warms by the sun, heated by the sun, the air warms and it rising upward, and in the high altitude it cools down and condense in the form of clouds, and after that precipitation occur, means cyclonic rainfall occur. And what is this? This is the snowfall. It is another form of precipitation. Why? The temperature, when the temperature below 0 degree centigrade, the precipitation in the form of snowfall, and water vapors change into small crystals. Next is hail. What is hail? It is a type of precipitation also, and due to low temperature water droplets freezes. Hails look like these. You can see in this picture the measurement of precipitation. How we measure the precipitation? By the rain gauge. That is an instrument to measure the rainfall. You can see in this picture the rain gauge. We can fill the rainwater in this, or we can measure the rainfall by this instrument. And hydrograph. What is hydrograph? It is a continuous record of rainfall. In this, it is also an instrument providing the continuous record of rainfall. You can make hydrograph of rainfall like this. Thank you.